Today I'm going to meet my friends from Vietnam. She will treat us for dinner because she wants to come back to Vietnam, so for good. Yeah, so right now I'm in a metro station, but they are not coming yet. They're not arrived yet. They have not arrived, so I wanna order some drinks. You know what, from China you can order it from the app called Alipay, and then later you just go to the jet store and then take it. So how you do it, let's go. First up, this is the app. You just search here. This is the tea that I want. It's Pa Wang Jia Qu. Okay, or maybe in your country it's called Cha Ki. And then we have to turn on the location. Okay, so this is the app. After you see this one, you just click this. This is Tian Chan. You can just translate things like this, you know? See? Okay, because I'm in a Beijing road right now, I'm going to search for this one. And yeah, you just wait first. And voila! You can choose whatever you want to drink. Okay, I want to drink this one. Hua Tian Oolong. So this is peach and oolong. I love this one, and I wanna drink big. And I just want this. Okay, I'm sorry. You can just translate it. You know, you just press this app and then it's translate everything. I want a large cup, less ice, and then I just want less sugar or a micro sugar, I guess so. Less sugar. No extra sugar. Less sugar then. Add to chart, and then just this one, and you're going to pay. Okay, so yeah, in start dining, and I'm just going to pay. Okay, this is what Guangdong Yesu Beijing Road. Okay, that's true. It's really foreigner. Foreigner, you can use it, you know. And then we just bring up our password. Voila, it's done. Our Vietnam friend is really nice because she want to treat us the best Vietnam food in this street, and it's kinda a long queue, so we have to use this one again. Okay, let's walk it. From the MRT, it's really convenient. You just can see everything. There's English sign there, and you have to download the map. Okay, so there's two. This is the mall. This is where the street is. I wanna go from the mall. You know what? Today I'm not wearing any makeup, just this one. Just eyelashes and then all done. Because my face is a little bit breakout. I don't want to wear any makeup. In this area, if you go out from the exit B, you're going to find many cute clothes with very affordable price. And see, hey. Okay, let's go. After walking for about like 1 minute, we arrived. It's Beijing Road, so it's really big pedestrian street. It's tourist city spot. When you come to Guangzhou, you have to visit this area. This is the mall. If you want to take metro, just go down to this mall. This is the mall called T Mall. And right over there is our tea. It's Pa Wang Jia Qu or Cha Ki. Okay, let's get our order. So we're just going to show our food here. They already line it up like this. So this is not mine. This is other people. And looks good, but too much calorie. I don't want. So this is Xianhe. So we already secured our cup to the best milk tea in China, in my opinion. Okay. This is the Beijing Road area. You can see it's not really crowded. Usually it's really crowded if it's in the weekend. For my content, thumbnail. Okay, so we have to prepare because after this we have to cross the street. Crossing the street with me and Chachi and everyone. No, it's not really crowded because it is weekday. Okay, so this is the area of Beijing Road. There's a lot of shop here. You can find food in this section. It is full food. If you go to that section, it's all about fashion and stuff. It's pretty, right? Everyone must go here. This is the famous bread store. It's like a floss, big floss, and inside some kind of mayonnaise. This brand of milk tea is also good. It's a bubble tea, and then upstairs is cheese tart. Not cheese tart, sorry. Egg tart is also good. It's tasty, and I love to see the lampion. And a lot of like this. This is what we call sao kao. Sao kao is like satay, no? Okay, this one is really famous here. You can see how they are lining. Maybe we have to take a look, yeah? So this is stinky tofu. I don't like it very much. This is really famous. It is come with black tofu and with some cheese. I don't really like stinky food, so yeah. Just skip it. You know what? A lot of people look at me when I'm vlogging. They're just like, it's okay. I think best time to visit Guangzhou is around December, January, and February because at the time there's some kind of cold wind, so it's nice. If it's not the summer, it's really hot. Like, so this is the temple. If you go inside there, you can see the temple. See the Buddhist temple, and until you go to the opposite side, you can see the famous building. If you know, the one temple that light up with a lot of lights, and there's some food, all of it. But I haven't tried all, so I cannot say much about it. This crepe also really good, but it's cost like 40 RMB the average, so it's kind of be expensive. We're close already with my friends, so let's find her. See, this is the most famous restaurant in Beijing Road. As you can see, a lot of people queuing. Even it's 8 p.m. It's called Fan. So here's the story. I got it wrong. It's not over there, but it's in the mall. This is the mall. It's called Metro Mall, just like on the opposite side of the Vietnam restaurant. And then my friend said just go up into level 8. It's a quite good idea to escape the long queue. You can go to the mall and eat it there. Wow, so in here, in the 8th floor, it's really big too. We can just, if you wanna eat this tiger prawn and then skip it the line, you can go here. Oh, I swear to God, this is really big restaurant. Oh my God, yes. Why? I just know this one. It's okay. Little discover every day. So you can also see the landscape there. Okay, so I'm going to the VIP room because my friends all in the VIP room. You can see the street from right over here. Really cool though. Okay, so almost arrived to the midterm. Here's Tia. Hi, everyone. Ni hao. So this is my classmate. Where are you from? Trung Yuanan. Vietnam, Thailand. You?
Thailand.
Vietnam people. This is Indonesia. Ini. So ini Hoa. So actually, guys, I would love to like what we can say ngobrol. Oh yeah, I would love to start a conversation with them, but then it's really hard to communicate because we have to use Chinese.
Language barrier.
There is language barrier. That's true. This is pork man. This is pho, and then this is like some Vietnam salad. Ooh, yummy. Making spring roll。你们教我们了怎么做？然后
dùng 2 cái.
Kệ luôn này.
Okay, just put
Con chị hay gập lại nó đỡ.
Theo đi được không?
Cái gì mà
Okay, I want to do the spring roll. This is pork neck, really good. Ini.
Mata
Chai. What is this? I don't know. This is pineapple.
Sure, bro.
Okay, I'm finished. Oh my god, the food is really wow. They got really good. This one is good. Dagingnya enak banget.
No, it will work.
Just
Okay.
put it in your plate. Okay, eat.
Gotta dip, bro.
One. Hold. How is it?
để đấy nghe không?
It's good.
Nhìn mày nhìn để thông tin con mừng.
Printing Polaroid. Yay! So this is the end. Bye-bye. It's okay. Don't be sad. So we just finished eating and I'm just going to head back. My friend's going to go back to Vietnam.